In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a GoDaddy domain for your website, including DNS and forwarding your naked domain. First, let's start by navigating to GoDaddy. You'll want to head over to their official site. Once you're there, take a moment to log into your account if you haven't already. Now, this will be the account where your domain is registered. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the GoDaddy dashboard. From here, find the section labeled My Products and click on it. This gives you access to your domains. You'll likely see a list of domains you've purchased. Choose the one you want to set up for your website. Simply click on that domain to proceed to its settings. Now, the next step is crucial. Redirect over to the DNS settings. As you navigate, you'll notice a section dedicated to DNS management. Enter here because this is where most of the configuration for your domain takes place. Give it a few moments to load, especially if it's your first time visiting this section. Once inside the DNS management, scroll past the records until you find a section called Forwarding. This is essential for forwarding your domain. Here, you'll be able to set up the forwarding options. Before proceeding, ensure you have the destination URL you want the domain to point to. This is going to be the website your visitors will be directed to when they access your domain. In the forwarding section, find the option to add domain forwarding. Click on it, and a new window or panel should appear asking for the destination URL. Fill this in with the URL of the website you want your domain to forward to. Double check this URL to avoid any mistyping errors. These can lead to broken links or misdirected traffic. Next, you need to select the forwarding type. You'll typically have a choice between a permanent 301 or temporary 302 redirect. A permanent redirect is suitable if you're setting this up for the long term. More often than not, this is the option web administrators prefer if they intend for the change to be lasting. After setting the forwarding type, the very last step is to save your changes. There should be a save button somewhere around the area you inputted the destination URL. This step is vital because forgetting to save will mean none of your changes take effect. Confirm everything's in order and hit that save button. Once saved, it might take a few minutes to an hour for DNS settings to propagate. Don't worry if you don't see changes immediately. Most importantly, give yourself a pat on the back. You've successfully configured your domain settings with GoDaddy. Thank you for watching, and happy web managing.